Hi, we're moving right along with MNVA Geography 3.1 Study 4, Population Movement. If you log in, this first page out of the three just explains, this little audio, just explains that early people found that living near water, obviously most likely rivers, was probably going to be the easiest place to get everything they needed. The water was going to provide place to cook, clean, drink, feed their animals, and then as they started to spread out and farm, it was able to irrigate their crops and then also used for transportation. However, as the population of their cities or their little towns would grow, people would leave to venture out to find a new place to settle, but often looking for places that had the same characteristics as the first. Another element to study the population and movement is asking why populations are very big in some places and very small in others. Some spots seem to draw people more successfully than others. New York City has more people than Loving County, Texas. Why is that? Page 2. Settling by resources. Early humans settled by the water because of its many advantages. Riverside land is rich. Rivers and lakes supply water for drinking or agriculture, and water provides low-cost transportation. Even today, most population centers are located on or near rivers or the sea. Think about the biggest cities that you can name. Most of them are near a river. People don't just live near the water. There are human settlements in every climate and terrain. The world is always changing. What was once a great location might become problematic as the population increases or land use patterns change the environment. Industry and technology. For example, many cities at the beginning of the Industrial Revolution were built near fast rivers. These rivers provided power for mills and factories. With the invention of steam power, which was produced with burning coal, factories no longer had to rely on water for energy. Many industrial centers relocated inland to be closer to coal reserves. Later, when electricity replaced steam as the power source for factories in the 1920s, location of industrial centers shifted yet again. Technology is always changing, and as it does, undesirable land may become desirable. If a system is designed to bring more water to a place where land is dry, then the land would become more fertile. More fertile land would attract farmers, and farmers would attract more businesses. The population would grow. That's one reason why people are continually on the move. Human settlements and the population centers will always be located in places that provide resources and opportunities. Resources change as the environment changes, and opportunities change because of it. Log on for page 3 to do a self-quiz. All right, that was quick. We'll move on to study for section 1 and 2 next.